fulfilment through work means to me, going home at the end of the day knowing that I've managed to conquer the day's problems. Every day is different, so every day is a new challenge. There's always learning to be done.
It's a very much of a family feel here at Ricoh. The values align with my values.
It's people who are the heart of Ricoh that really make this place run, and I think that that's really important in creating a culture throughout the organisation.
My first step to getting a role at Ricoh, always interested in engineering. I saw the apprenticeship scheme advertised. I knew that I wanted to learn and be educated at the same time, so an apprenticeship fit the bill.
I didn't really know if I wanted to go to university or do an apprenticeship, and really my dad kind of introduced me to the idea of doing an apprenticeship at Ricoh, and so the stars aligned really, and a commercial apprenticeship opened, and that's how my journey began.
I always wanted to leave Japan and go and see the world. But I met my husband in Japan, so I decided to follow him and came to UK. The people I met at the interview were so nice. I thought, I want to give it a go and I want to work for Ricoh, and that was 28 years ago.
We've got a really diverse portfolio of technology and business lines, which gives us an opportunity to work with lots of different people, lots of different external customers. So it's quite exciting to meet those people and find their passion for their own business and how Ricoh can help.
If I look at the relationships that I've built here, they're long-lasting. The relationships that we have, the conversations we have, it's what makes work social, and I think that is so important.
On the shop floor, day to day, it does become very much like a family, really.
You can see by the sheer amount of ex-apprentices in engineering and management positions that we foster that development. And this is where the Ricoh Three Loves comes into play.
Three Love is basically love your neighbour, love your country, love your work. That spirit is sort of embedded in a Ricoh way, so I think everybody's practising at RPL.
The spirit of the Three Loves, the thing that it does most, I think, is really it sets the tone that you are part of a family here. I mean, we do call it the Ricoh Family Group for a reason.
I love my work, but because of the people I work with.
The beauty of Ricoh is you embrace different cultures and people from different ethnicities, and it opens your eyes.
Having that cultural variety has helped us drive the business forward.
There's opportunities for everyone. I think we're prime examples of, people from the same background who've had the same upbringing. We've come in and loved the same company, doing absolutely completely different things. There is a place for everyone and an opportunity for everyone.